the interior of the 38. A picture of the dogs playing poker on the roof. GPS speedometer there, plus the one he put down here. Got most of the wiring fished through the dash. Got it all tied up. Just gotta shorten and connect where everything's going. And then run wires out to the lights. Well, where the plug is. Run wires from like the steering column and the brake to the lights. We'll have to pull the dash back out to recover it. I might try to cover it in here. And then just got the alternator to connect and one wire on the battery to finish. I gotta get a main power to the fuse box.